This video is from the UTC neighborhood in San Diego, California, where there was a 911 call reporting two suspects in a pickup truck breaking into cars in an apartment complex. Police respond and block the only exit, and things get interesting.
There's no exit, there's no exit, there's no exit. There's no exit, come on. There's no exit, come here. There's no exit, come on. Hook pursuit, hook pursuit. Gray jeans, gray jeans. Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Shots fired. He's down. Stay on the ground! Stay on the fucking ground! You got it right here? I got him. Stay on the ground! Stay on the fucking ground! Do not reach for anything! Pointing downrange to westbound. Negative. Don't fucking reach for anything! Don't fucking reach! Put your arms out like an airplane! Negative, we still have them at gunpoint. Stop reaching around! You good? Can we take over here? Yeah. We're on the south side of the complex of International Garden. Southwest corner. Hey, bro. Like I said, do not reach for anything or I will shoot you. Don't reach for that fucking gun. Stop fucking moving. Lay on your stomach like an airplane, now! I told you not to fucking move! Get on your stomach! Your arms out like an airplane! Like an airplane! Yeah, 14 George, we lost visual on that second subject. He went to move out. Hey, watch the crossfire, whoever's on that side with their flashlight. Alright, hands team, you guys good? I'll stay lethal. All right,
less lethal.
I'll stay lethal.
Where's that gun?
It's next to him. Where's the gun? All right. Scoot forward. Crawl away from the gun now. If you need help, scoot away from the gun. We're not gonna move up there unless we know we're safe. Get away from the gun. Huh? You guys ready? Yeah. Let's move. Yeah. Hold on.
Hold on a second.
Stop right here. Hold on. Stand by. Is it down? I can't.
Can you get less lethal?
Yeah.
Hold your hands.
I got David.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's move up.
Okay. 16 gun moving up on our target. Don't fucking reach for anything! Don't reach for anything! Hey, Don't you fucking move.
I can't move my arms.
Justin, don't move.
I'm not
On your
moving.
stomach.
Get on your stomach now.
Come on,
Onto your stomach now.
My good arm.
Ah!
My arm, brother.
It's over there.
Oh, my running the clip.
You guys okay? Did he get your hands off of you guys?
He did.
I
Yes, he
fucking
did.
fell,
Okay,
dude.
everyone's okay? Okay. Who's the shooter?
So my God, I can't breathe.
Okay, did anyone else shoot?
I don't. I put a whole mag in.
Okay.
You guys need anything here?
Okay, let's start locking this down right now. Start getting safe up.
We're gonna come over here, alright? Go on.